Hi, I'm Len Johnson from LJE Products, and I'm here with the latest generation Biteharder Helmet Safety Light. These lights are a game changer when you're trail riding with other people in snow dust. So we're going to go through an installation on a Castle CX950 series helmet, which has got a heated shield. Traditionally, you have a short heated shield cord already attached to your heated shield port in your helmet, and what we're going to do is show you how to install our latest generation helmet light. You're going to get 2 alcohol wipes and 2 plastic clips. Now if you notice, the newest generation helmet light has a port, RCA input port, on a little junction block, and then this is the part that's going to go to your heated shield to power your heated shield, and then your helmet light is going to go on the back. So we'll do the installation. First thing you want to do is remove the alcohol wipe and wipe down the back of the helmet where the light will be installed. The helmet has to be at room temperature. You cannot do it with a helmet that you just brought in from outside. It's got to be warm and dry. You're going to let that dry for about a minute. The first thing you want to do once you remove it from the package and you've done your alcohol wipe prep is plug the right angled RCA into the heated shield port, and you're going to test fit just to see where the light's going to fit best on your helmet. Every helmet's different, and we've designed this kit so that the junction block can be placed in different locations depending on if you have a communicator that might be in this area. Then you can put your junction block back here or up here to keep it out of the way of the communicator, and that's why we have a flexible lead that goes to the heated shield port to give you flexibility, which our previous generation kit did not have. So once you do this, you want to check for the best placement of the helmet light. There are 2 rows of LEDs on the helmet safety light, and these 2 rows are 12 LEDs across. So you need to find the halfway point, which is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So right here is your center point, and you're going to want to center that right on the back of the helmet. Find your halfway point right here and center that right on the back of your helmet. Now firmly use your thumb and your fingers to push the 3M adhesive into the helmet so it'll bond. You could go out and start riding after you install it, but it's better to wait 12 hours for the adhesive to bond to the back of the helmet. Once you have the strip installed, now you just need to find the right location for the junction block with the female RCA port. On this particular helmet, if we put a radio, it would be right in here, and this flexible cord would be able to move out of the way because we can spin this thing 180 and run it with it in this position if we want, and that would get everything away from the communicator. Using your second alcohol wipe, prep the area where you're going to put the junction block. Now we're going to mount the junction block to the side of the helmet. We're going to pull the release liner off the 3M adhesive, and we're going to place the junction block so that the RCA port is facing backwards. And we want to keep tension on this piece too. The junction block is designed to split power from the heated shield cord from your snowmobile, which is 12 volts, up to the heated shield and back to the light. Because the light only draws less than half a watt of power, it doesn't take away from the function of the heated shield. I'm liking the right angle male RCA facing down. On some helmets, you might want to install it facing up. It just depends on if you're running a communicator, the design of the helmet, if there's any switches in the area or buttons for opening your inner colored shield, things like that. Now we're going to test the function of the helmet to make sure everything was functioning properly by opening the shield. And then we're going to open, this is a modular, we're going to open the modular part of the helmet. And we have plenty of flexibility. Everything's looking good. Now we're going to install one of the plastic clips just to keep the cable secure to the helmet, and you could also clip in this area if you wanted to, but in this case I think we're going to put one right here. Firmly press the clip into the side of the helmet. Your heated shield cord that comes with your snowmobile helmet is a two-piece design like this. Most of them are like this. The short cord, which does not have the stretched type accordion cable, is the one you mount to the helmet. And then you're going to want to hook everything up, start your snowmobile, and check to make sure the light is working properly. Remember that the Biteharder Helmet Safety Light is designed so that when you go to get off your snowmobile, you simply disconnect the short cord from the long cord, which stays on your snowmobile, and then you can walk around with this. It's not going to bother anything, and then when you go to get back on your snowmobile, it's easy just to reach down, grab this, and reattach. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy your Biteharder Helmet Safety Light. See you on the trails.